This is the Scout and Amish rooms, and then the bathroom, the shower, very spacious. It's in Mabintangin Road up 15 minutes or 10 minutes away from the town. Sofa. One of the rooms. Ito. And they have kitchen. They will put something there if you will book in this room. Table. Bed. Mirror. Their bathroom is almost the same size. Cute. I like to stay here. Very nice and peaceful.
Dito para sa mga artist lahat dito. Kami doon sa akin. Hindi lang nalilinis ko lang. May video dito.
Kitchenette. Table. This one you can cook here. I think this is the all guest kitchen. And auntie is the owner. Hi. They have also video, okay. Peaceful and spacious rooms. I don't know what's this. Spaghetti. Pizza.
Salad?
Anong gawin?
Wala lang akong sugat. Tulungan na kita.
Ba't ganito talaga? Maluluto ba to?
Pag pizza talaga?
What kind of pizza is this?
What are you doing? You taking a picture of my husband? Sexy stomach?
Sexy stuff.
Is
Like Hawaiian pizza?
No,
Hawaiian
no.
pizza.
this is like pepperoni pizza, mostly ham pizza, but a little pepperoni too.
Which one cook good? This one or this one?
Both.
Both?
Different. But different.
I mean the ano ba, the cooking machine. That one or that one?
Well, this is a pizza machine plus. I never see this. Normally it goes into oven.
Ah, yeah.
Small like
Pizza.
I got one over here for the this one.
We're here in the market. Market. Hello. We're looking for shrimp. Tara,
First. Pipon.
okay. Diyan eh. Shell? Panangutan na sa pisyo. Pila to.
Hindi man ito presyo. Presko
Wala na.
900 po.
Ito,
600. Bagong dating lang po yan.
this is 450, 900 per kilo, 600 per kilo. Vegetable. Bayabas.
Bayabas ka dyan.
But, sana siya. What's this? Tara, potato. Kani okay, kuan, di guwapa. Barato. Kana kay hinugasan na. Mahal. Na dito. Supermarket. Nag-supermarket. Wet market. This place will build more rooms. Bless me. It's very huge place. We're doing grilled fish and shrimp. La 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 la. Ay!
Kunting rice lang kasi potato na siya. Oh, grabe yung pangit sa dito. Ay, video deh. Mas mo ito. Better. Yeah, thank you.
Galing patanaw. Wala pa. Ato sa mga manana. Tulang.
Dili na ko. Tapos diri.
Potato. Ah, okay, this one. Saan siya? Salsa?
Salsa.
Lobster. Potato.
Bata
Calamares.
Bata pang bata.